If you are looking for a way to start your own online business and make money online, Amazon Kindle Publishing is the simplest way. You don't have to be an expert writer to make a full-time income. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with Amazon Kindle Program, KDP, without writing a single word. I'll show you an automated system that has helped me make over $8,333 a month, without writing a single word. Find out how you too can get started with Amazon KPD today. So, watch the video all through, check the description box for amazing making money hacks. If you are new here, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to follow for more. Now, let's start. The Amazon KDP is a great platform for self-published authors to publish their work on the Amazon Marketplace. It offers a wide range of publishing tools that can help you make your book successful. The KDP Select program allows you to publish your book in the Kindle store and sell it in any country, as well as offer it as a free download to customers who have signed up for your mailing list or are Prime members. Signing up for a free KDP account is easy. All you have to do is enter your email, password, and the country where you live. After setting up KDP, one needs to upload their manuscript, description, and other required files. The requirements for publishing a book on Amazon are: you should have an account with Amazon KDP Select program, and you need to opt into it before you can publish your book on Amazon Kindle. You should have a bank account that is in the same country as your publisher account or in the US if you don't have a publisher account with Amazon KDP Select program. Your manuscript should be unpublished and not free elsewhere online. There is no limit to how many books you can publish as long as they are unpublished and not free elsewhere online. Once all the required publishing steps have been completed, you can publish your book for sale in the Kindle store. By submitting the title and publishing date, Amazon will create a page for your book in the KDP dashboard, which will show all available options when published. You might be wondering how much money you stand to make as an author publishing with the Kindle Direct publishing program. Well, the answer is that it depends on the type of book you are publishing and how many copies of your book sell. You can make a lot of money if you have a bestseller or your book is in high demand. Now, I know what is running through your mind. You might wonder, I am not a writer, and even I can't write a single word. How I do create ebook? So, this method will not be working for me. My friend, let me tell you that you don't need to be a writer or even don't need to write a single word to publish your book and make money with Amazon KDP. I show you brand new cloud software that creates thousands of ebooks with 100% unique content in minutes. ProfitBook app, you can have your very own content business without typing any words. Generate amazing ebooks in minutes without typing any words. No prior technical skills or experience is needed. Create 100% unique content with the push of a button. Generate unique articles, PDF info products, or ebooks with one click. Sell SEO services and content writing on places like Fiverr. Have your very own ready-made products to sell or give away. Built-in Designer turns your content into stunning products. 100% newbie friendly. Autopilot free traffic in any niche with one click. No technical skills or experience needed. 0 monthly fees. Amazing, right? Check the below link to watch this awesome video and see ProfitBook in action. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope this video has helped you in some way. If you found it valuable, give me a big thumbs up, and it will be great if you leave a comment saying, I like it. Don't forget to check the description box for amazing money-making hacks. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to follow for more.